Wait, what? Roll over. Here we go. Welcome back to Astronoma, and today's topic is Mars. So let's start. Named after the Roman god of war, Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun in our solar system. Mars is also known as the red planet because, well, it's red. Mars is visible in the night sky with the naked eye, so it's impossible to say exactly when anybody first saw it. There are reports of it being sighted by the ancient Egyptians 2 millennia BC. However, the first to spot it through a telescope was Galileo Galilei in 1610. Mars is a rocky planet covered in impact craters, mountains, volcanoes, and deep canyons stretching thousands of miles. Olympus Mons is the tallest mountain in the solar system, stretching in 21,229 in meter above the surface of the planet. That towers more than 12 kilometers above Mount Everest. Mars and Earth have approximately the same landmass. Mars is home to the tallest mountain in the solar system. Only 18 missions to Mars have been successful. Mars has the largest dust storm in the solar system. On Mars, the Sun appears about half the size as it does on Earth. Scientists have found tiny traces of Martian atmosphere within meteoroids violently ejected from Mars, then orbiting the solar system among galactic debris for millions of years before crash landing on Earth. This allowed scientists to begin studying Mars prior to launching space missions. There are signs of liquid water on Mars. What is Mars made of? Below the surface, Mars is made of a dense iron, nickel, and sulfur core, and this is surrounded by a softer silicon and oxygen mantle. The planet's 50-kilometer thick crust consists mainly of iron, magnesium, aluminum, calcium, and potassium. Exposure of silica-rich dust uncovered by the Spirit rover, the Phoenix lander, returned data showing Martian soil to be slightly alkaline and containing elements such as magnesium, sodium, potassium, and chlorine. These nutrients are found in soils on Earth and they are necessary for the growth of plants. Experiments performed by the lander showed that the Martian soil has a basic pH of 7.7 and contains 0.6 of the salt perchlorate. This is a very high concentration and makes the Mars soil toxic. Mars has two permanent polar ice caps. During a pole's winter, it lies in continuous darkness, chilling the surface and causing the deposition of 25 to 30% of the atmosphere into slabs of CO2 ice. When the poles are again exposed to sunlight, the frozen dry ice sublimes. These seasonal actions transport large amount of dust and water to vapor, giving rise to Earth-like frost and large cirrus clouds. Clouds of water ice were photographed by Opportunity rover in 2004. One day, Mars will have a ring. In the next 20 to 40 million years, Mars' largest moon Phobos will be torn apart by the gravitational forces, leading to a creation of rings that could last up to 100 million years. Sunset on Mars are blue. During the Martian sky, the sky is pinkish red, which is the opposite of the Earth's skies. Olympus Mons. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. It measures some 600 kilometers across and rises nearly 27 kilometers above the surrounding terrain. Mars has the largest dust storm in the solar system. reaching speed of over 160 km per hour. These can vary from a storm over large area to gigantic storms that cover the entire planet. They tend to occur when Mars is closest to the Sun and have been shown to increase the global temperature. The Valles Marineris is an extensive canyon system in the Mars equator. It is 4,200 kilometers long and in places is 7 kilometers deep. On Earth, it would span the entire North American continent and beyond. Mars had water in the ancient past. Mars has frozen water today. And I personally believe there are aliens on Mars and we will capture you someday. Ha 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 ha.